Once you have the complete Denavit-Hartenberg parameter table filled in, finding the homogeneous transformation matrix is super easy. All you have to do is take the standard form shown here on the screen and fill in the values for each row of your parameter table. Then you multiply the matrices together to get the complete homogeneous transformation matrix from the base frame to the end effector frame. For example, I'm showing here the filled in table that we got in the last video. I'll fill in all of the parameters that we got for the first row to get H01 like this. Then I'll fill in all of the values we got in the second row to get H12 like this. Then I'll fill in all of the values we have in the third row of the table to get H23 like this. Now, to get H03, I'll multiply these three matrices together. If you don't remember how to multiply matrices together, and you're watching this on my website, robogrock.com, then there will be a link next to this video to another video that will help you remember how to multiply matrices together.